So I'm just going to pop some equipment on her and let her have a little bit of a chill outside. I'm a divvy. You're saying, what am I doing? What are you doing? Don't ask me, Athena. So, week and a half through the moult, are we? Not very long. She had squirrel yesterday. I'm going to pop her outside now on the boar perch just to get a little bit of change of scenery. I'm going to pop you down and have a little bit of you time on the boar perch in the garden. So at £2.14, she's still letting me man her. She's still letting me put her equipment on, so I'm just going to bring her bath out of the mews. Yes, what are you looking at? You're looking at all those little pearly bobble things on my jumper. So I'm going to pop her on a boar perch now. See how she gets on. If she's baiting too much, I'll just go and let her free loft again, but yeah, she seems alright. Yep, you got new bits of equipment on again. And I'm just going to give her equipment a little grease up as well.